we enjoyed the small ride you gave us in the bus. As we thank you very much for giving us the bus. The small ride you gave us from there, we thank you and we enjoy it. Only that I want to thank God more that you are the president and not a bus driver. Because, and anyway, God had his plan when he made you the president. If you are a bus driver, then most of us would have a very hard time to ride. Because you have the country on your mind, and I'm sure other things. Lastly, Your Excellency, so that we are quick on time, let me acknowledge Your Excellency as the motto of this school. They say that in faith we go. And as their mission is, it is true that this school has lived to its mission, which is to educate and to mentor character and excellence, Your Excellency. And from the names we have seen of those that have come from this school, it is evident that indeed you have lived the dream. We've seen big names there, Professor Misere, Mogo. We have seen names of Akina Justice Zaluch, Justice Ngawa. And there's something about good lawyers in this school. Because when I was speaking to the head girl, she told me she also wants to be a lawyer. Your Excellency, you will not be short of good people to stand with you in government. Lastly, kwa vile wasichana, tunajua vile tulianza breakfast, na His Excellency yako hapa atatusaidia na mambo yenye tumeombwa hapa ya kujenga hiyo administration block yetu. Hiyo mzigo tumewachia Rais, atafanya. Na Rais anaweza, situmpigie makofi. Na Rais wetu, karibu. Wakati tulikuita